Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. So today is 31st December. It's 10 o'clock and basically we are going to celebrate 31st night with my parents and basically our family in our hometown. So yeah, we are going there to surprise them. They've been asking me since so long to just come down and stay for New Year's, but we said no. I said I have some stuff to do here, so I won't be coming, and they kind of believed me, not completely, but yeah, I am going to go and surprise my mom and dad, and yeah, let's see how they react. And I'm gonna vlog this whole trip. So without any further ado, oh, by the way, I'm gonna introduce my family to you. Yeah, 2020 is going to be a good year for a lot of decisions, and yeah, so without any further ado, let's begin our journey. To my in-laws place, and we have come here I guess at around 2 o'clock or 2:30, and I think it is now, I don't know, 5 o'clock. And yeah, we came here and we had lunch, and now I'm gonna head out for the surprise, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Daddy! Hi!
నిన్న 2 పాములు ఇక్కడికే వచ్చినాయి. భయపడ్డావా? మా ఇల్లు టూలెట్ బోర్డు పెట్టాం మా ఇంటికి. ఎవరికైనా కావాలంటే చూసుకోండి, మా ఇంటికి టూలెట్ బోర్డు పెట్టాం. చెప్పండి. 15,000 3 బెడ్రూమ్, ఫుల్ ఫర్నిష్డ్. ఫుల్ ఫర్నిష్డ్ అట. ఏమైందా? బా ముగ్గు తొక్కకే వెనక ముగ్గు తొక్కే. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడు. అక్కడి నుంచి మనం ఇప్పుడు తల ఉంచుకొని పోతుంది ఎక్కడిక. కెమెరా వెనుక ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎంత మాట్లాడుతుందో. 3 కలర్స్ అది ఉల్టా తిరిగింది. ఎందుకే ఏమో పాడైంది. మామూలుగా ఇందాకట్లాగా పెట్టు. ఇందాక వస్తుంది. We were just doing rangoli and so-called mugu in Telugu, and akkad pette. And I was doing little bit of coloring in that session, which I am very bad at. I am super tired. I have come home, I surprised my mom, and honestly she gave like overreaction to that. She definitely guessed and she knows that I am coming today. And yeah, I got like a very bad reaction, like you came, sort of epic fail of what I was trying to do. But right now we are doing some rangoli, as I was saying earlier, and we will do some cake cutting and all that at night, and tomorrow I have plans for them, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And also meanwhile my mom and my sister-in-law, she found my dresses, maybe 2 years old or 1 year old, so that sort of a dresses. They're like very 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 small, and she found all of them, and I'm gonna show you guys. So update what's happening right now. It's 11:22 I guess right now, and I have been editing a video which basically has to go long back, but I started editing it today itself. That's my Black Friday Shein try on haul. The editing is done, and I've put it for like uploading and processing and all that stuff, and it's taking so much time. So I think it's gonna get uploaded by 1 o'clock in the midnight. So yeah, and we will do a little bit of cake cutting and all that at 12 o'clock and sleep probably, and I'll see you guys at the time of cake cutting. And yeah, that's it. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Mama! Happy New Year! Good morning. It's 1st of January. Happy New Year! I just woke up. It's 8 o'clock. I woke up at 7:50 I guess, and yeah, I am trying to upload the video I was talking about yesterday at night. So it says 92% and it's 12 minutes more, and I don't know, it's not uploading anymore. I'm trying to do that, and here's my mom feeding my doggy. Ever untar intlo? That's my doggy. So we had to like drag him outside with a blanket beneath, so that you know you don't get hurt because he's not getting up. Hey again, so I uploaded the video. Finally it was done processing and all of that, and right now I am transferring few stuff from my hard disk to my pen drive which I got yesterday, so I can connect this to my TV here in my home, and my mom and dad can watch the wedding videos. So yeah, and we're gonna go and find out for some good orphanages or any sort of an orphanage here in my hometown, so that we wanted to actually donate few stuff this New Year. So yeah, we are planning to go there, and I think I'll go maybe in like 30 minutes. I need to do this thing before I go, so it will take its time to you know get transferred, and then in meanwhile I can go and come back, and after knowing how many people are there, and I can probably get the stuff they want and donate. So I'll take you guys along, but before that I'm gonna do this thing and come back. పిల్లలు టీచర్ అమ్మ పంతులమ్మ. మళ్ళీ
Hey again, I'm back to Hyderabad and today is 2nd of Jan and I found a hidden gem, guys. Let me show you guys. So this bathroom over here, I made it in my college. Like literally I stitched this whole part together. This was basically an assignment in our college, which was I think in 3rd year or 2nd year. So we had to like make a men's bathrobe, and I made this. It's basically men's, so it's pretty loose for me, but oh my god, I'm loving it and I'm definitely going to use it. I actually found it in my mom's place when I went yesterday, and yeah, I love it. And as usual, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday itself, so I'm ending it right now. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was sort of a fail, but I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Follow me on my Instagram for more such updates on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. Also subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And with that, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.